Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a profitable niche where viewers buy. This is non-negotiable. Once chosen, validate demand with search volume or active communities so you don't waste effort. Make your first videos focused on problems buyers have. Make sure each contains a clear affiliate offer. Set up concise links and an affiliate dashboard right away, because tracking conversions from day one tells you what works. Record 3 simple videos this week targeting one buying intent keyword each, then upload and promote. Once you have initial uploads, focus on conversion mechanics. You craft each video for buyers, open with a problem, demo the solution, and close with a single, direct CTA that points to your affiliate link. Make sure you show the product in real use, compare prices, and be transparent about the affiliate relationship. Transparency builds trust and improves clicks. Then optimize thumbnails and titles for buyer keywords, and pin one tracked link in the top of the description to capture every interested viewer. You scale by measuring and repeating. Track CTR, conversion rate, and revenue per click so you can double down on winners. Once a format converts, scale with paid ads, collaborations, and sequence series that target mid-funnel searches. This increases predictable affiliate earnings. Make small iterative tests to thumbnails, CTA, and descriptions each week. If conversions suddenly drop, the key troubleshooting step is to isolate one variable, test the thumbnail, then CTA, then the landing page, so you find and fix the leak quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.